Pete-Clearwater. The local time is 2:19 p.m. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and ensure all carry-on items remain securely stowed and out of the aisle. Once the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, this is the indication to move about the cabin and gather your belongings. Please use caution when opening overhead bins. Items tend to shift during flight. Please refrain from smoking or baking until inside the terminal and only do so in designated areas. You may now use your mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices, but please refrain from using your laptop computer at this time. If you're claiming luggage, please follow the signs to baggage claim. Our uniformed representative will be happy to assist you regarding ground transportation or baggage claims. And if I could just ask everyone that has closed the air vent above them, if you could just reach up and open up that air vent and help keep this plane as cool as possible. And also, once we arrive at the gate, if those sitting next to the window could just put that window shade down for us. And then passengers who have requested wheelchair assistance, if you could just remain seated and let others pass, then we can better assist you. Again, those who have requested wheelchair assistance, please remain seated and let others pass, then we can better assist you. On behalf of the entire Florida-based crew, we'd like to be home as well. We would like to thank you for flying with us today. It's been our pleasure serving you, and we hope to see you on another Allegiant flight soon. Welcome to St. Pete-Clearwater.